Hello, this is the third, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to solve what dominates your array, which is a 7 Caillou task in Codewars. For this task, we are given an index array consisting of n number of integers, and the denominator of the array is the value that occurs in more than half of the elements. Write a function that's given a 0 index array is array consisting of integers. It's right here if you want to read it. The key part is return -1 if it doesn't have a denominator, and all the values will be bigger than or equal to 0. That's the main important part. So right now, you want to just set little variables up. So for me, I'm gonna set up the length of the array, which actually types, and this is used to determine the denominator. And then I'm gonna set up a dictionary called frequency of it's this frequency, and then this is how you do a dictionary. Then for every number in the array, what you want to do is you want to kind of update this frequency count. So the frequency of num is going to be equal to frequency dots, and I'm doing this all in the square brackets, is equal to the frequency dots get num, and I did the wrong brackets, num dots, so comma 0 and then +1. Now what this does is it essentially updates the dictionary. I have a Python tutorial if you're interested about dictionaries and just really anything about that. Check it out. But what this does is it gets whatever number is, and if there isn't a number, if it doesn't exist, then it makes a new entry in the dictionary and makes that 0. And whatever it is, it adds 1 to it, and that essentially acts as a count. So counting the number of times. So it goes here, okay, 1 here, so 2, 3, 4, and then so on. Now, the next thing is an if statement. If the frequency, now this will happen after it does the first iteration of this, because it's in the same index of the same for loop. So if the frequency of num is bigger than n divided by 2, then just return num, and that will give you the answer. And of course, if it doesn't have a denominator, then it returns -1, so you just do return -1, and it should work. And it works. If you enjoyed this, if you found this tutorial helpful, please give a like and check out my other series for Codewars. Like I said before, I'm also doing a series on Python. Check that out if you're interested. I'll see you later.